Yeah, I wasn't paying attention there for a couple of minutes watching the video, and it climbed right back up again here. Let's go see what it's sitting at out in that dining room. This is going on for a while now, and I think it probably started around just before 8, maybe 7. Yeah, maybe 7:30, 8 o'clock, and that's generally when this always happens. Around 8 o'clock, somewhere there. I was thinking it was 5 o'clock before, but lately it seems to be 8 o'clock. There we go. Back on the cold air return. Jumping way up there. It's probably about 23, 24 parts per million up here right now. That's probably the highest I've seen the TVOC. Maybe that's about the highest it goes, 9999. Yeah, it probably is. Come to think of it, digits, it would have to go to 10 next. So, it's not going to do that. Right now it's in the serious mode, and that's with the, even with the windows open. You see like that, and I got the window open here. And, see the window is open right in here as well. Yeah, it's dropping down around here, so we'll go back in here. Yeah, and it starts jumping up again. Let's see if it'll do it. 7, 3, 8, 9 again. Yeah. So it's coming through, and it just keeps climbing. And that's the top. That's as far as it'll go right now. Won't go any higher. So I'm just going to open the windows fucking wide open. I could probably phone the fire department.